Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to turn on SMS notifications for fundraisers and crises on Facebook. This feature is essential for staying updated on important events and supporting your favorite causes directly from your phone. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from your app store. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted by your newsfeed. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This menu is often referred to as the hamburger menu, and it will give you access to various settings and options within the app. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This section allows you to customize your Facebook experience, including how you receive notifications. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Notifications. Tap on it to access all notification settings. Here you can manage how and when you receive updates from Facebook. Next, find and tap on Fundraisers and Crises. This option specifically focuses on notifications related to fundraising events and crisis alerts that matter to you. Finally, toggle on SMS notifications. This simple step ensures that you will receive text message updates about fundraisers and crises directly to your phone. By enabling this feature, you'll never miss out on important information or opportunities to help those in need. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on SMS notifications for fundraisers and crises on Facebook. This feature not only keeps you informed, but also allows you to engage more actively with causes that resonate with you. If you ever want to adjust these settings again, just follow these steps and you'll be able to customize your notifications as needed. Thank you for joining me today. Stay connected and make a difference with your newfound notification settings.